Trinidad hit by strong 5.9 magnitude aftershock.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The Seismic Research Center, SRC, of the St. Augustine campus of the University of the West Indies said that the aftershock, which occurred at 9:27 a.m. local time, followed Tuesday's major earthquake that registered 6.9 on the Richter scale, which was later upgraded to 7.3. Wednesday's quake at its epicenter at latitude 10 degrees north, longitude 62 degrees west, and a focal depth of 80 kilometers. It was also felt up to 40 kilometers east-southeast of Carupano and 100 kilometers north-northeast of Maturin, both located in Venezuela. No tsunami warning or watch was issued in relation to this morning's 5.9 aftershock. Several buildings suffered structural damage as a result of Tuesday's massive quake, and the SRC has warned Trinidad and Tobago to be on the alert for many more aftershocks. Several buildings have been damaged in the northwest, including the capital, Port of Spain, causing 2 government offices to remain closed. One small house collapsed and about half a dozen cars crushed by falling walls. Thankfully, there has been no reports of injuries or fatalities.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.